What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today, this morning actually I have another property tour, but this property tour I can guarantee you is something this different and something that you will not see often. Alright, today I'm actually visiting a retirement assisted village. Yes, a retirement village. So let me take you around. Let's go. So this is how the facility look like on a glance. Behind there is all the villas. Right now there's only 54 units, but this is going to be more in the future. The whole development is 13 acres. The whole development is 13 acres. There are developers behind, they have developed houses. Of course that one is for sale. The villas here are all for lease. Villas are all for lease, okay? So these are the villas for the residents. I like the concept. It's actually a gated and guarded community without any fence here. So they have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. And this is the clubhouse here. It's considered clubhouse because you have all the facilities like gym, everything is all here. Gym, meeting room, and that is a clinic. Okay. This is a big clubhouse. That piece of land where you see my car is parked there, this piece of land will turn into an aged care facility, which means those residents, whoever that needs 24 hours monitoring, whether due to health or anything, will be placed here. Of course the charges will be different than you expect, and that is phase 4. So the charges are reasonable. Everything here is good. I hope to see this place again, see this concept going around actually. Yeah.
I saw your plate.
But
you're a resident from Malacca also.
oh, okay. So this is 734. So this is the living hall and dining, the kitchen, and oh, okay, this is the kitchen. 730 square feet, and awesome.
And the place for you to put the washing machine.
Oh,
You can actually put the washing machine over here.
nice.
Those you need to bring in yourself and the fridge.
So washing machine, everything on it means
The fridge is here, washing machine is
oh,
here.
okay.
So we actually do all the built-in like the countertop and then the
Okay. So this is the room,
room and the toilet.
toilet. This is the toilet. Oh, okay, it's all the handles very well equipped. The room, wow, quite big.
I mean for 2 person.
Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, no lah, it's okay lah. Yeah,
We do have actually another size also for the 1 bedroom.
oh, so this one does how about the cleaning all this?
Cleaning we are not included. So
Oh.
this is another storage area.
Storage area, so all this are storage area.
Yes.
Storage area, okay.
So behind actually a back lane.
Oh, so wow, so back lane straight away lead to your backyard already. So nice. And for you to hang clothes. Oh, so you can down here walk for
Number 22 there. The opposite. 22. The right is available also same size.
oh, okay, so it's
Don't press.
emergency
Yeah.
oh.
So it's actually at the living room, the toilet, and also the bedroom.
Okay, so
if that villa have 2 bedrooms, that means 2.
so this is the lounge. This lounge, right, is where you can hang out. Coffee and tea provided. It's all free. Okay, so this is the multi-purpose hall. The multi-purpose hall you can use for your activities, tai chi, everything, or even if you have birthday parties you want to organize here. So this is a multi-purpose hall. And at the end here, there's a restaurant. If you want to cater to your event, you can go to this restaurant. This restaurant is open every day at 11. Eh? This restaurant here. Wow, so nice. They got cinema some more.
Soundproof.
That the what? Soundproof. No.
Actually, exactly a cineplex.
Okay, okay. Theater. So this is cinema. Theater. Right? Now there is karaoke room.
This is a karaoke room for small groups, 6 to 7 people.
Wow, very nice So nice. That's good. Everything is there, the mic, everything all there. Wow. Then look at the speaker. Wow. So one room, so I have to book first, right?
Yes, if you like it, you can book.
TV lounge.
So they can sometimes
It's a TV lounge here.
sing around over here.
So the football matches all can just sit down here lah.
It depends. Okay, inside we have a library.
Oh, library. Okay, reading room is library. Wow. Okay. Equip all the books here. Okay, wide selection of novels. National Geographic. Okay, this one is classic. This one I saw, never see it. We used to have a lot at home. Now become don't know what all newspaper I think. Oh, your one ah? Okay, okay. I will let them know. You used to have a lot. Don't know where it happened. Don't know where mom put.
You see the piece of land in front of you? That one is phase 3.
Okay, this is phase 3. So that phase 3 that's the one ah. Oh, this piece of land. Okay. So it's another 50 units ah.
Another 28 units. You see the Maidin there? Actually, the nearest shopping Maidin. Opposite is actually the bus terminal.
Oh.
The main bus terminal in Ipoh lah.
Okay.
So towards that direction is actually called it Jerapang. In Chinese called Jiutong.
Oh.
So behind you go to the back lane is actually Chemo. Chemo is actually a Chinese village, Hakka village. So they have a lot of Hakka cuisine and Hakka kueh and all that.
I see. This one is? Oh, Mahjong. Okay, Mahjong. Nice. Wow. This is also Mahjong. One play chess. Why suddenly chess become old man game? Old people game? Never mind.
Oh, okay. This is
Okay, this is a beautiful place. It got a lot of light. I guess.
Actually, it's facing the mountains. A nice view.
But it's not. Sometimes it can be a bit hot also.
We have
Aircon. So you can sit down here, drink on the bar just like the old days.
in front of you, this piece of land is actually on phase 4.
This one is phase 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is on phase 4?
Phase 4 also a new phase.
It's
So in total we have 105.
oh.
Okay, you see this way, yeah. This is a main road. This is a main
Okay.
road. So this triangle is actually phase 3. This is phase 4. Just this piece of land.
This is how this
So
is phase 4.
currently we completed one is actually from 1 until 54. This is completed. So started from 55 to 86 is the new phase 3 and phase 4.
Phase 3 and phase 4. This is the age facility, the age care living.
This is a guardhouse.
So how big is this whole land?
Total we have 13 acres.
13 acres.
Yeah, come I'll show you.
Okay, so here can book for meeting and also Zoom meeting. If you are semi-retired, sit down here and come here and do your meeting. It's guest room and Jasmine room. Just close it, and it will just be a normal meeting room.
The pantry now.
Oh, this is a pantry. Okay.
So inside we have this is a fitness center.
So this is a gym lah.
This
Oh,
is
okay.
the gym. And the hair studio.
Hair studio is for.
For the senior, we just provide the facility in case you want to engage they want to cut hair.
Oh.
They can actually get the hairstylist to come in.
Also for hairstylists to come over to them lah, for them lah. Oh, okay.
That's a service.
That's very good. Nearly everything I want is here.
So we do have another floor at level 3. So it is quite at this moment it's empty. So when we are fully occupied, we'll see what we're going to add.
No plans yet, level 2.
And then get this.
Oh. Okay, there's a yoga room there. The gym is here. The gym, okay, very complete. They got weights, they got all the machines here. The ball, yoga room standard lah. Just put one mat will do. Oh, that's very big. Then there's a full body mirror for to check your posture.
Is it behind the facing the mountain also?
What's that mountain name?
Can't remember. I'm not so sure the name.
Oh.
But it's a nice view.
But actually this one is a very nice view.
Yes.
That's why you can yoga and face the
Yeah,
mountain.
because actually the resident will actually walk do a morning walk.
Overall, I love this concept. Actually, I like the concept where as you get older, right, someone is there to take care of you. Of course, in this day and age, I don't think you can expect your children to take care of you lah. Out there, parents, especially the boomer parents, your children in this day and age, inflation is crazy. You can't even afford a house, and even want to have our own children, the cost is crazy also. So everything actually increased lah. We have to take care of we are in the sandwich generation, that's what it's trying to say. We have to take care of our parents and also our own family. So it's going to put a lot of strain in finances, and then some of us are definitely choose to be single and not married, alone for the rest of their life. And if you are single, right, the biggest concern I'm sure that most of you will have is about health. Let's just say anything emergency were to happen and you live alone, who is there that you can call? So this is where the concept of retirement assisted village actually comes in. You'll notice from the video just now, they have emergency buttons everywhere in the house. 5 emergency buttons in the house to call anyone to come over, alright? And this tour is personal for me as well. You see, I have aging parents at home. I don't say this much, but I do worry as well. Like, the cost of living is increasing, and then I have my own careers and goals that I want to achieve as well. So how do I balance that? Spending time with them and also the work. I worry that if there's any emergency at home when both of them are leaving, there's no one else to attend to them. Okay. I worry that if there's they may be their mobility is affected, bedridden, sick, I can't actually spend my time to actually attend to them. So that's why I come here and visit this place. I think the concept of the old folks home, where I think you heard some horror stories where they neglect the residents there, and then they depend on donation. The place are dark and then dirty. People are there just waiting to die. I think the concept of this old folks home, this kind of old folks home, is something in the past. Alright. Now, when you are retired, I really want my parents to have another life, After taking care of the 3 of us, yes, I have another 2 siblings. For as long as I can remember, mom is a homemaker, dad goes to work, so you can still survive on single income family last time, but not now. I want them to enjoy their retirement, okay, because they've already worked so hard. I want them to go out, see the world. Where if they can't travel, maybe just take a drive nearby and have some friends to talk to. Basically, have a second life. Don't need to actually harp on children, wait for the children to have time to come and see. So that's the thoughts that I have. And that one, and also the medical. Actually, medical bills is really crazy. Medical bills is the one that I really the most, and that one I covered the best I can. I got them. Actually, me and my siblings, we together, we get our parents some insurance. So that's the best we can do. Okay, the tour of the retirement assisted village is over. So if you like this video, or if you please subscribe. If you want more information, right, I will leave the contact number below. Just WhatsApp them, alright? Just WhatsApp them, or you can contact them on Facebook Messenger. You come and have a visit of this place, alright? You come and have a visit, and next time, who knows, if your parents is willing to try and willing to have a visit, come and have a visit, see what it's like. And they even have a homestay here. You want a homestay just to experience the environment in a few days, you also can rent a homestay here. Okay, I highly encourage you to come and take a visit and see what it's like here. Okay, and that's all from me. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.